Hey everybody, welcome to another lesson of learning Japanese. Today we're going to learn how to express that something costs X amount or that something takes up X amount of time. And to do that, we are going to use the verb kakaru. It's used for both of these instances and it is just that important. So let's just get right into it. So the verb kakaru is used to represent an expense in both time and cost. And when used, the respective particles that would go in the clause that kakaru belongs to will be omitted. And what do I mean by that? I don't know how to explain that, so let's just go into the examples and get an idea. So for our first example sentence, we have the line, このダウンロードは何時間かかりますか? So what is this sentence saying? Let's break it down bit by bit to get a really proper idea of it. First up, we have kono, which is this. Right after that, we have the word download, which is going to be download, like a download from the internet or something like that. Right after that, we have the topic marker wa. And right after that, we have nanjikan, which means basically how much time. And after that, we have kakarimasuka, which is kakaru, the verb in discussion here, in its mas form with the sentence ending particle ka right after that. So it's asking how long it will take. So altogether, it's going to be how long will this download take? Now let's go back to what I said earlier about omitting respective particles in the clause. Well, you can see here that we should have had the particle o to denote that the time is the direct object to the verb kakaru, which basically means to cost or to take time. So basically time should be the direct object of the verb that means to take up time. But as per the guideline that I mentioned in the beginning, we're going to drop the particles and the o is gone from the whole sentence. So altogether, このダウンロードは何時間かかりますか is how long will this download take? For our next example, we're going to use kakaru in the sense that it costs an expense of, let's just say costs, like money. So for our sentence, we have このコンピュータはどのぐらいかかりますか? And this sentence is asking how much does this computer cost? First up, we have the word この, which is again this. We have computer, which is this. No, computer is not this. We have computer, which is computer. We have wa, which is the topic marker, marking the computer as the topic. Then we have dono gurai, which means how much. And right after that, we have kakarimasuka, which is again just the same as the first sentence, but this time it's just used in a different context, so it means how much does it cost in money. So altogether, このコンピュータはどのぐらいかかりますか is how much does this computer cost? And again, you'll notice that there is no direct object o in here because we dropped the respective particles that would appear in the construct. So yeah, that is how we do that. We use kakaru as a verb to indicate the cost or the expense in both cost and time. So you're going to use it when you're asking how long it'll take to do something, how long it'll take to get somewhere, how long it'll take for something to complete itself. And you'll also use it to denote how much something costs in money and etc. So yeah.